Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display sections in SwiftUI for native iOS application. So let's get started. So here you can see this is my output. I have one section called important task, then I'm defining some task. Second task is another section. So if I just do this, here you can see it can collapse and expand. Then the third task, fourth task, fifth task, and in the last task I can also add this end thing which is there for our section. So yeah, that's what we will be looking at. So here you can see I have created this SwiftUI application. I have created a task row. It is simple SwiftUI view which has text property inside it. Next, if you see this content view, I have created this for our second section and passing it is expanded boolean. Rest I have just created one section. I am creating one header. Here I am passing task row. Header provenance I have increased it, so that's why the second task was looking, heading was looking a little better. This is the third task, similar fourth and fifth. And here you can see for other task I'm also added a footer of text end. Yeah, and make sure the list style is sidebar, otherwise this particular thing of collapsing and expanding that particular icon won't be visible. So you can check all these different list styles which are there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.